Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change Walmart app language. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your Walmart app language to Spanish, or maybe you want to change it back to English. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Next, click on Account on the bottom right-hand corner. Now, once you're on this page here, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon. Then on this page here, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Language Settings. So click on Language Settings, and then as you can see, they're going to be able to offer Spanish language to the Walmart experience. So go to Walmart App Settings, and with it, it actually says that you can change your preferred language to use with the Walmart app at any time in your device system settings. So if you go into the Walmart app settings, what essentially will happen is that you're going to be taken to this page here, where towards the bottom where it says preferred language, if you click on that, this is where you could actually choose other languages. So this is where you could actually select Spanish, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change Walmart app language. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.